In this chat, we're talking all about that cracked and weeping cast iron sewage pipe situation and whether you need a full repipe or just a targeted fix. So, here's the deal. If your cast iron sewage pipe has a slow leak and there's already a clamp on it, it's likely someone tried a quick patch before, which might be holding things together for now, but not a forever solution. Since you mentioned the crack's been there for about 2 years but just started leaking, it's not an emergency that needs immediate action tomorrow morning. You can wait until your plumber comes on Thursday without risking a major flood or damage, especially since it's a vertical pipe. Those tend to leak slower. Now, a clamp or even flex seal can temporarily hold a vertical cast iron pipe leak because gravity helps keep things in place, but that's definitely a band-aid, not a fix. Cutting out the damaged section and replacing it with PVC is totally doable, but be careful. The new section has to be properly braced so the pipe above doesn't sag or drop, which could cause more headaches. If your whole house still has original cast iron drains running to the basement and out through the foundation, sometimes it's smarter to bite the bullet and replace everything at once, that pay once. Cry once approach saves you from constant repairs down the road. But if budget or timing won't let you do that now, just patching or clamping and then scheduling a proper repair soon is your best bet. One of the biggest mistakes people make with cracked cast iron sewage pipes is ignoring slow leaks thinking they're harmless. This can lead to mold, structural damage, or worse leaks later on. Another common issue is trying to patch multiple spots with clamps without addressing underlying pipe deterioration, which only delays the inevitable full replacement and can waste money. Lastly, improper bracing when cutting out damaged sections and installing PVC is a sneaky problem. Without solid support between floors, the pipes can shift or sag, causing new leaks or blockages. To avoid these, get professional advice early, don't stall on repairs just because it's slow leaking, and make sure any replacement work follows local building codes for pipe support. BigHomeProjects.com is super handy for this kind of stuff. It hooks you up with trusted local contractors who know their way around cast iron and plumbing repairs so you don't have to stress about who to call. Plus, if you're a contractor yourself, it's a solid platform to find homeowners needing help, making it easier to grow your business without wasting time chasing leads.